Hello YouTubers, welcome to Guitars and Cars. We're still working on the old 2004 Chevy 2500 HD. Got a fun little quick project today. I'm going to swap out the wheels with some of you purists might hate me, but Dodge wheels. It actually has Dodge wheels on it now, but I found some different ones with some a little bit better meat on it, and I'm going to swap them out and see how it looks. This is kind of a highway tire. They're all right. Those wheels will probably clean up pretty good, and they look pretty decent for a Dodge wheel. But I just found these cheap. Thought I'd throw them on there, see how they look. So, with all that being said, let's see if we can get her up in the air here. Watch out, Nina. Don't let me drop this on your toe. Crack these loose real quick before I throw the old impact on it. I don't have too much of an issue throwing Dodge wheels on a Chevy or vice versa. I'm just amazed they fit. The bolt pattern's exactly the same. The only real difference is the center bore is slightly bigger on the Dodge, but it's an 8-bolt wheel, and you don't really need the center bore to make your wheel happy. Granted, it's better to have it, but not 100% necessary when you got 8 lugs sticking out there, holding things together for you. The wheels I got for it are pretty close to the same size. They're just a little bit wider and a smidge taller. The wheels are actually the same size, it's just the tires are a little bit bigger. So I was thinking about trying to put some 35s or 34s on here, but decided not to go with that idea because didn't really feel like spending that much money on what I could find. And a lot of times people on the marketplace just don't respond to you, or they don't, they're too far away, or they're not available or whatever. So I found these, and the guy was really cool about meeting me over at the grocery store so I could pick them up. That's how I roll. $200 set of wheels with some decent Encounter, Sumitomo AT Encounters on there. So 2 of them have real good tread, and 2 of them are a little lower, but hey, what the heck? Guys are throwing $3,000 set of wheels on the truck, and that's just not my style. Not my budget either. Can I do it? Yeah. Do I want to? Hell no. Spend $3 grand on something I'm going to go throw around in the dirt? I don't think so. It's all right. It's pretty good. Clean her up a little bit. Yeah, those went on nicer than the other ones. The last ones I took off were a little more stubborn. What's going on there? It's not quite right. All right, here we go. Yeah, with the center bore being a little off, you got to pay a little closer attention to the lugs to make sure everything's okay. You don't have that center bore holding you in place. I think that's pretty decent. And here's another fun situation. Huh? Dodge. Got the Dodge hubcaps. That might scare some people. I know it scares me a little. Let's try a Chevy. See what happens. Look at that. I only have one of these, unfortunately. But I do have a nice set of chrome ones on the way that should match these wheels very nicely. Can you just imagine a nice set of Chevy hubcaps on a Dodge wheel? All right, well, there it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.